Talent is an overused word. What does it mean to have talent? Is it the ability to hit a ball further than someone else? And what we consider as talent to someone else is just normal. I'll tell you what talent is. It is to be a scratch golfer and to be the best at rugby, hockey, tennis and swimming. It is to be the man described as the greatest batsman that cricket has ever seen. If you are all those things, you are talented. You are AB de Villiers.
What a bat! Giving that a crunch. What a cracking! Listen to the sound. 6 more.
You see another example. He's absolutely smashed that out.
It's a six.